girl, I had to give you a sneak peek of these face framing streaks. They cute, huh? Let's get into it. Okay, so these curls are cute. This wig features a fixed part, 2 combs on the side, 1 big comb in the back, and adjustable straps. I started, painting the lace on the other side a while ago because to me, even if you get your edges wet, after you wear it once or twice, that lace tends to hold on to that color, okay? So that's why I like to turn it inside out and paint the lace, okay? So just wanted to show the blonde one real quick. Let's move on to this really pretty brown and copper one, okay? I noticed that this wig was kind of giving me like just wiggy vibes, okay? And despite that, I still was like, you know what? I'm gonna style it how I usually style it, and I decided to do a side part because it's a fixed part, so I just turn it to the right. And when I styled it, I melted it in place with my blow dryer on a high setting. I don't know what's going on in the wig world, y'all, but y'all probably can relate or attest to this. But these recent wigs they've been coming out with, girl, the fibers are really, really, poor, cheap, of poor quality, whack, of poor quality. I think that's the definition of whack, but girl, whatever. Anyway, it burns really quickly. So y'all be careful when y'all are, doing what I do and are melting y'all baby hairs in place after y'all style it. And you put the heat on it to kind of like, melt it in place and, leave it like that. Don't leave the heat on it too long, because the way they making these weak fibers, these cheap fibers, they're burning very, very fast, okay? I have had a few recent wigs that I've done where I've burned like a locket of hair out, okay? And you don't want that, especially if it's right at the top of your head, girl. You burn a plug out, it can ruin the whole wig, okay? So as you see, I decided to style it with really cute, big, flamboyant baby hairs. The reason why I chose to make the baby hairs really big is because of how close the tracks are at the front of the wig. When I am presented with a wig that doesn't give me enough lace edge and enough to kind of like give that like light baby wispy hair look, I do that. So voila, she's styled, she's cute. And get into these streaks though, like these face framing copper streaks are just giving me everything, okay? Everything, okay? Now, it's not as long as I usually like and do, but she cute. Stay tuned. Hey, JuiceDrops, JuicyNashae here, and I'm back with you already know, another cute wig to show you ladies, okay? All right, so what's the name of this wig? Okay, you could pronounce her name Amadio, giving real Espanola, let's give her that, right? Okay, so anywho, what color do I have this really cute wig in? Girl, it's a mouthful, so I'm gonna go on and put the stock card in your face as I read off the name of this color. It is DRFF Ginger Cocoa Brown. I'm still gonna put it on the screen so you ladies can see it. This color, okay? Now, I also have this wig in the same color that's on the stock card. I might put that on. I might put it on, even though I've been wearing this one for probably about 4 days now. And before I rant and rave and all that goodness, let's get off into Amadio's, girl, somebody's further details right here. Okay, ladies, now that we're back from Amadio's further details, let's get off into her 360 right here. Let's get off into the close-up, okay? Switching it up just a tad. Now that I'm in your face, let me show y'all the stock card once again. Okay, she's a fixed part wig, but I wasn't really feeling her in a straight part. So I decided to shift her over to the right and wear her in the right side part. And she's giving it, you know, she's giving real cute, real tuck behind my ear. Like, oh my God, she's good, you know? And these streaks just seem like they have a little more class and pizzazz with her in the right side part, okay? So I did a really cute, simple baby hair. I know I always say simple baby hair. It might not be simple to some of you ladies out there, but yeah, well, you know what? I was gonna complain about the hairline, but I'm gonna save that for the cons, okay? But let me get a little further off in your face and show you that I did like a cute little tuck behind that ear, you know, with some cute swirl, dramatic swirl baby hair for this side. So it can give me real cute, you know, a really cute side part with this really pretty copper streak that's on both sides. And yeah, so it took a lot of gel and it took a lot of got to be spray to lay it down and get it to stay. That's why I'm not trying to rhyme. It's just I'm gonna get to the difficulties that I experienced while trying to lay this baby hair, okay? But so I'm gonna show you ladies the hairline one more time before I get out your face, you know. Okay, close up over. Let me get out your face. Let's get off into the few pros that I have for Miss Amadio. Amadio, girl, somebody else, okay? All right, so like I told you ladies in the beginning of the video, I have been wearing this wig for probably about 4 days now. And she's a little shorter than what I like, but she's cute. She's really cute. I always compliment the color of wigs, and I kind of feel like it's low-key a cop-out, but I swear that isn't my intention with like picking that for a pro. I really do like the color. The color is this really pretty, probably like number 4, mixed with these really, really pretty flamboyant copper streaks in the front, what they're calling ginger, and it's black at the roots. It has all of the layers of colors that I like, okay? I love me some black roots. I love me a pop of color, and you know, brown, okay? Like, Now, the curl pattern is really pretty. It's, even though it's kind of short, well, on the shorter side, because it's like, let's see, you know, it's like bust length, you know, to my bust, you know, but it's still cute. And these curls are really, really pretty. It's like roller set and, you know, barrel curls or whatever. It's cute. Do I have any more compliments for this wig? Well, my third and final pro for this wig is kind of gonna be like a cluster of pros all into one last pro, and that's the fact that she is big head friendly. I have a 23-inch head with, like, even though I have plenty of hair underneath, this wig is braided down and it fits great. So she's not tight and uncomfortable, and she's great for pop and go, you know. If you want something quick, you know, that you can just do a couple of and slap on your head, you know, and just go, you can do that. So she's great. She's a great pop and go wig, okay? Is there anything else? No, I told you that's the last pro. Let's get off into these cons. So I get off into the rating and let you ladies know. Okay, I want to show you ladies that I had this color also, the same color on the stock card, which is DRFF Honey Brown. Okay, right? Okay. I didn't, you know, cut the tab on this one. I didn't really finesse it like I finessed the other one. I just wanted to show you ladies this one also, just so y'all can see this color and how pretty it is, because it's a pretty color. It's giving real honey blonde, you know. It's really pretty. But yeah, so I got it tucked behind my ear just a little, because like I said, I didn't really style it like I styled the other one, okay? But I ran into the same problem with this one, and that's the fact that this hairline is it just felt so cheap. You know, it just felt so cheap, so subpar than what I'm used to from Outre lace front. So I am definitely taking that into consideration as I give you ladies this here rating, okay? What do I rate Amadio? I gotta rate this wig a 5.5, y'all. I know. Dun dun dun. It's been a while since I've given a wig a 5.5. I know that's pretty low of a rating. I usually don't give wigs, you know, such a low rating, because it's like, at the end of the day, these wigs are synthetic. You're getting what you're what you're paying for. But what made me rate this wig a 5.5 is the quality of this affordable line of Outre lace front wigs has like definitely went down, okay, since Angelique. And I can't think of another Outre lace front wig that I had other than Angelique. But yeah, so 5.5 is because the hair feels a lot cheaper than it actually looks. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. You know, maybe for, you know, me feeling it, and, you know, it won't look as obviously fake for those who's, you know, looking at it. But for a trained and experienced eye such as your girl, it definitely was just giving me that. And I even think I burnt a plug out of this one when I put my blow dryer on a high temperature on this one. And yeah, a plug literally came from this patch right here, okay? Now, it don't look bad. It kind of ended up working in my favor, because it low-key widened the part up, but that's not how I wanted to do it. You don't want to lose hair, and you don't want to burn your wig trying to make it look better, okay? But yeah, like, it's just, it wasn't giving what I thought, you know, it would give, you know, based on how cute the stock card picture looked. It's just, I don't know, it's just not giving that same, you know. And it could be because I'm trying to wear it in the side part. But let me switch it around for you ladies. Let me go and switch it. I don't normally do this. I usually come on camera, you know, with the wig already styled.
Which is already styled. I'm about to switch it around for you ladies, just so y'all can see. Just so y'all can see. This is it in the straight part. Okay? You know, letting it, you know, really shine it with
the baby hair. You know, I just was, you know, quickly styling it just to see if I can pop it on and go wherever I was trying to go that day. And you know, this is how it looks on the stock card. It's not really showcasing those really pretty highlights like it is on the stock card. Nah. So yeah, I know I look a little crazy, you know, not as cute as I would have hoped to look. Well, you know, hold on, let's do something real quick.
put this down. Let's put this. Let's put that back here. Let's put some more hair right there. Like that. Let's do that. And let's take this. Let's leave this out. Let's tuck that on this side. Okay. Okay. So that looks real cute real quick.
Okay. Now, I think I can kind of end the video on a good note. But thank you ladies so much for watching my tutorial and wig review for Miss Amadio. A little horse. Okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And so sorry that your girl been gone for like centuries. But look, if this video and the vibe in which I had to tell the brutal truth doesn't tell you that I am disenchanted and totally bored by the new wigs that's coming out, I'm really not feeling like it's worth spending my money on, okay? Your girl, no matter how cute your girl is, I am not a company brat. I do not get wigs sent to me. I pay for them out of pocket, and if I feel like it's not worth my hard-earned coins, then your girl is not going to waste her money, okay? So yeah, that's why I've been kind of MIA, because girl, these wigs that's coming out lately ain't really giving what they need to be given, especially for the amount of money that they want you to be given, okay? Boo-doo-boo. With that, I'm really about to go. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye.